Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Today we're going to do a test shot on a Spaziale Mini Vivaldi 2. We did a nice tune-up on this one. We cleared some of the scale buildup, so we have really good flow, and this is a great home machine. We're going to see how our shot came up. We got a nice open portafilter here. There we go, that's nice. The pump is hitting a great level there. Nice crema. For test purposes, I'm just gonna cut it quick short. Show you the steam. I like these little steam levers. Look at that, nice strong steam, nice and dry. Here's the water. There you have it. Thank you very much for repairing with Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video, and for more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page. Thank you.